Hello, my name is Tom Anthony. I'm a final year studying maths at the University of Derby, and this video is going to talk through like what my processes were and like my experiences, as well as if I've got any general tips or advice for any person who's interested in either going to Derby, studying mathematics. The reason why I wanted to study at the University of Derby is obviously the teaching is outstanding. The really good thing is they will always help you. The lecturers will always help you no matter what. I know that I've always been emailing them. I've actually been in the office most times actually. The modules I'm helping out at the moment is math modelling, as well as doing mathematical modelling of differential equations, and and they're very interesting in applications. So looking at population modelling, looking at looking at other stuff, but also my dissertation is actually modelling based. So I'm looking at traffic flow problems and see how you can use models to try and see what would happen and why we use these models and how effective they have been. And I think I've put a video on that. So if you see, I think it's Tom's dissertation. It's a short 2-minute video briefly describing what my dissertation is about. So um, the lectures are quite nice. I would say the one thing that sort of sets Derby apart is that there's a lot of different stuff. So there's, for example, there's a thing called so each student will be assigned to academic staff, so that if they've got like any personal issues or any troubles at all, they can always email them or contact them and sort of discuss what the problems is. And obviously that can help you build a good rapport, which is sort of what you need in sort of future careers. As well as obviously helping me, give me sort of like job opportunities. So at the moment, I'm a power assistant. I've been involved in so many modules, so preliminary maths, calculus, software, then algebra, modelling, and I was involved in a group project for about 8 weeks. So I've been involved in quite a few different modules. If you're wondering how I've got the time, I actually have extra time built in. So if you want to choose maths, you should certainly show a certain amount of passion, engagement, and you should be interested with sort of what's going on at the moment. Looking at ways to model stuff. So I know one person who I think is trying to model the coronavirus. So that's quite an interesting little topic at the moment. So that was me talking about my experiences and what I thought about Derby as a whole. If you've got any more questions about this, please feel free to leave a comments below. And yeah, hopefully see you again soon. Okay then, bye.